Hello everyone, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your own Edpuzzle account. So as you can see, I'm at edpuzzle.com. Please make sure to find the blue rectangle right here. It says sign up. I'm going to click that. You're going to pick I'm a teacher unless you're interested in what it looks like to be a student. I personally like to sign up with Google because it's just a single sign-on, but you are more than welcome to do the sign up with Edpuzzle route. We'll do that just for an example. You just type in your first name, your last name, your email address, password, and the referral code isn't necessary. Make sure that you agree to the Edpuzzle terms of service. Make sure you read that, as well as the privacy policy. So all of that's pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to go back to the main page and show you what it looks like once you have an account set up. So I'm just going to log in. Yes, I'm a teacher. I'm going to sign in with Google. I recommend using your personal email address because, you'll always have access to it even if you change school districts. Let's see, so go back to my account. So as you can see on the left-hand side, these are all of my classes. I even have a few classes for tutoring. We have these pull-out tutoring sessions that I use it for, as well as Saturday tutoring. And so in order to create classes, you can just add new class. You can also incorporate Google Classroom. You can change the settings of your classes by giving it a description, changing the name. The class code is auto-generated. If you just really dislike it, you can generate a new code. You can lock the classroom, especially if younger students are using it. The best part is the gradebook. So as you can see which students are excelling at the different lessons and things. You can see who is not very involved. You can also change your due dates to maybe have a span within the 6 weeks or the unit that you are teaching. You can change the start date. It's pretty similar. You just click on where you want to start. You can also export your gradebook, and it'll be a CSV file. Because I'm on a Mac, my numbers application will come up. But you can also upload this in different applications based on the computer or processor you have. Let's see. Those are pretty much the main areas. I will show you how to pick a video that you want your students to watch. Let's do double negatives. If you are a reading or writing teacher, you might use one of these videos to teach grammar. And as you can see, these little teardrops that they have throughout the span of the video are where they have a check for understanding questions.
Pull each other out.
So notice this first check for understanding. What is a double negative? So you can also edit the questions to maybe be more rigorous. This is kind of just, identifying, remembering rules and things like that. You can also skip or rewatch a part for students and teachers. So say that I'm back at the double negatives video. Say that I want to edit it. I just click edit. I can crop the video. I can, manipulate what you see. I can cut out certain questions. Maybe I feel that it's kind of redundant. I can change the voice that's on
Today we're
there.
going to take a look at double negatives.
I can add little notes there. As it says, get your students' attention, pause the video for an introductory comment, maybe prepare them for the learning that's about to happen. And the quizzes that they call are just check for understanding questions throughout. That's probably the best feature on here because a lot of teachers at this point know that you should show videos for engagement, but the point is to hold students accountable to their learning. So I'm going to finish up with that. So the last step, you assign to a class. It could just be one class. Maybe you're trying to isolate skills, or it can be to all of your students if you know that it's a pre-unit or pre-lesson kind of assessment to see what they know already. You can use it for stations. You can use this for a lot of things later because I don't want to add it. You can also see what's going on at your own school, and there's other channels that you can look at for more resources. So everyone, I hope that this has been a helpful video for you. I hope that you plan to use Edpuzzle in your classroom. It has definitely elevated my instruction, and I know that it'll do the same for you. Have a great day.